Good evening, everyone. My name is Evan Martinez from Martinez392. Today, I'm here to show you how to install a Windows operating system on your PC. Today, I'm currently actually installing it on a virtual box on Windows 7 Professional Edition. I'm also going to be installing Windows 7 Professional Edition into a virtual box. It's a very simple process. It should only take you 20 minutes to 30 minutes. Anything over an hour at that point, it's not even worth your time putting anything on it. 9 times out of 10, if it's taking an hour or 2 hours to install an operating system, 9 times out of 10, you're wasting your time. Because eventually your hard drive is going to fail anyway, and you might as well just put a new hard drive in and then install a Windows operating system. First step, make sure you put your disk into your laptop or desktop. Make sure when you go into boot mode, it'll tell you press any key to boot into DVD. Follow the directions on the screen. It's very self-explanatory. And you're going to end up here. Make sure you have your right language. Essentially, I am English. I do speak English, so you want to make sure you put English. Time zone and format, I am in the United States. English, you make sure you click on that. And then make sure you have the right keyboard. It's very important. If you don't have the right keyboard, all your keys are most likely going to be switched around, and you don't want that. Click Next after you're done. Make sure everything is set correctly. And then click Install Now. While this actually loads, we're going to pause this real quick for a few minutes. Okay, everybody, I'm back now. Now you want to make sure that when you get to the screen, make sure you accept the license terms. Hit Next. You can go through it if you want. I mean, it's pretty much self-explanatory. You know everything, pretty much. You know no one reads this, but they want you to read it. But does anybody read it? No. Sadly. Hit Next. And then what you want to do here today, I'm actually going to show you how to do a fresh, clean install. So essentially, whatever is on this hard drive, it will be wiped. Make sure that if you are upgrading from a Windows Vista or Windows XP, I believe you could do it with Windows XP. I'm not exactly sure, but I'm most certain that you could do it with Windows Vista. Make sure you click the upgrade option, and then now you want to do Custom Advanced. Okay, now you want to go to Drive Options. You want to delete both of these. So essentially, you delete these both if they are here. If not, then you don't have to even do this step. You can skip this step. Now this is where you're going to have to worry about. If you're just a brand new hard drive, you just put it in there, you want to just file right now. Click New, Apply, OK, and now you're good to go. Now hit Next, and then let it do its duty. I'll be back in a few minutes. Let this install, and I'll be back in a few minutes. I'm back for a few seconds. I just let you know during this installation process you may occur a few restarts. Please be aware that's just normal. Don't worry. Let it do a few restarts and do its thing. I'll be right back in a few minutes after this is finishing doing what its job should be doing. Okay. Hello everybody, we're back again. As you can tell, it's checking. This setup is now checking video performance after you just went through installation process. Essentially, the installation is done now. Essentially, it's just checking for video performance and all that good stuff to make sure everything is running correctly. And then now you're going to get to the part where you type in your name. Now, you don't have to actually use your name. You can use your favorite animal, favorite food, whatever you want to use. But in this instance, we're going to type in our name, Martinez392. Now you have to click Next. It's very important to make sure that you just make sure you follow the instructions, really. And installing an operating system is not hard. The main thing about it is just follow directions. And you will go and be successful whatever you do when it comes to installing any operating system. No operating system is complicated to install. In today's world, you have the graphical user interface. So essentially, it's easy now. I mean, back in the day when you actually had to do coding, do command prompt, which I know how to do, it's not too easy. I mean, it really isn't. It's far from easy. It's very difficult sometimes. Command prompt can be difficult at times, and it really can be, and it will be. If you don't know how to do it, you're not going to be able to do it. So this is the good thing about the GUI, graphical user interface. Now, you want to continue now. You don't have to put a password in, so in this case you can if you want to, but I'm not going to, because as soon as I'm done this video, I am deleting this. So, click next. And since I'm not even going to keep this for very long, I'm just not even put a product key, but I recommend you to put a product key. If you don't have one right now, please put one as soon as you get one. You can go online and buy a great product key for what, $20 I believe on some websites. Just make sure you look for the right website, and you can buy a product key for as low as $15 to $20. Can't beat it. Click next. Now, ask me later. Never to do automatic updates. Always make sure you look to see what you are installing when it comes to updates. Some updates are not needed, and some updates can make your PC run poorly. Click ask me later. Make sure the time, the date, and the time zone is correct. So in my case, I am the Eastern time zone of the United States and Canada. Now you want to click next. You want to make sure you select where you're currently at, whether you're in a public area like a McDonald's, a Starbucks, a Target, or a Wawa, Walmart. Just make sure you click on the right one. I am at home right now, so I'm just click home. If you're at home, click home. If you're at work, click work. It's self-explanatory. So essentially, you have now officially installed an operating system. If it does not load correctly or the thing is funky, always make sure to please have your drivers available. Always remember, if it doesn't look too well, always remember to get drivers for it, so you can easily download them and put them on a PC via a USB flash drive, or you can even put them on your phone and use your USB plug it in, and you're good to go, and you can transform over to your PC. This is about it. This is the end of the video. I hope everybody has a great day. My name is Roberto Martinez, with Martinez392. Bye-bye.